everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka and today we're going to do a Chennai shopping haul. So let's get started, shall we? Now Chennai is a paradise for temple jewelry and saris, and here's everything that I got. So first up, I'm going to share some jewelry that I got. So the first necklace that I have is this very beautiful multi-layered necklace. Now this has two layers and it has this stone detailing which is ruby red and emerald green color. Also it has this beautiful stone work going all over. Then it has these dangling pearls and it comes along with these beautiful earrings. Now I believe that this will look stunning with saris and it will give a very beautiful regal look. Now the second necklace that I have is this very beautiful piece. Now it has a very beautiful pendant over here and a very simple chain over here. Then this comes along with this beautiful earrings, danglers, and it has small emerald detailing which will contrast very well with any color. Now this looks very elegant and it can be styled with western as well as Indian. Now the third piece that I have is this gorgeous necklace. It is a long necklace. It looks like a very typical temple jewelry design and it looks beautiful. I love this one, and it comes along with this beautiful jhumkas. Now this one is also in this beautiful ruby and emerald color, which will obviously come in beautiful contrast with every ethnic outfit. Now the next necklace that I have is this very beautiful minimal piece. It's a classic piece of a temple jewelry and this one looks beautiful sitting around the neck. It will go very well with saris and I love this one and I am so excited to style it. It comes along with this beautiful earrings which has these tiny pearl droplets. Now the last neck piece that I have is this very beautiful stunning piece. Now this one is a long necklace and it will look stunning with saris. It's going to look so beautiful and it will give you a very regal look. And it comes along with these earrings. They look so pretty. Now these are typical temple jewelry pieces which are not commonly seen in northern India, but this gives you a very beautiful rich look. Now my shopping has certainly not ended here. I've shopped quite a lot from the sari department as well, and I did not get the typical silk saris. I got something very unusual from there, and I'm very excited to show you all what I got. Now the first sari that I got is this very beautiful baby pink sari. It is, and the specialty about the sari is it is in satin fabric. Now this has this very beautiful work all over the sari, which is their very classic Kanjivaram work, which is very popular in the south of India. Now I love that it is in satin. It has this very glossy finish on the sari and it looks extremely elegant. I love this one. Now the second sari that I got is this beautiful tissue sari. Now this also has this very beautiful work all over the sari and it is also the very well known Kanjivaram work. Now, and what I love about the sari is it is in dual tone. So the base is in silver, muted silver, and it has this very beautiful water gold work done all over the sari. Now it is extremely lightweight because it is in tissue fabric and it looks stunning when draped. It looks very rich. Now the third sari that I got is also in a tissue fabric. Now this one is a very beautiful grey sari. Now it comes with this beautiful contrast of peach, which I love. Now I feel the sari is very unique because I've never seen a sari in this beautiful contrast. It is also very extremely lightweight. Now this sari also has this beautiful border all over, which is in the Kanjivaram art, and I love that these saris are so unique yet so rooted to the art of South India. So this was all for the haul, and please let me know whatever you like, and I will also link the places that I got these things from. So the jewelry is from a brand which also has a website online, but I personally went to the store and bought everything. And also the saris that I got are from a very popular brand called Nalli Saris, which I believe might have a website or a platform to shop from, so you can always search for that. Otherwise, if you're visiting the stores, they have stunning collection of saris and the jewelry there is just mind-blowing. It has beautiful range. It starts from around 150 for a set, like a full choker set. Ranges up to around 4-5,000 depending upon what budget you have and what you are looking for. So and the pieces for 150, they also do not look like they're very cheap or bad quality. They also look stunning. So you can check out the website. I'll link it below. So that was all. Thank you for watching.